This VIP Realty property video is presented by Valerie Vaccaro. Move-in ready 1-bedroom 1-bath first floor condo tastefully furnished, turnkey, with updated kitchen with soft close cabinets, quartz countertops, impact windows throughout. Open lanai with recently installed hurricane-rated exterior wall allows for more living space and lots of natural light. Spacious master bedroom has plenty of closet space. Extra storage closet on lanai, full-size washer and dryer in unit. Water heater 2021, AC unit 2015. Low HOA fees. This is a must-see. 7 lakes, a 55-plus active golf and tennis community with 6 heated pools, 6 true tennis courts, pickleball, bocce, wood shop, fitness center, billiards, on-site restaurant, hobby room, lapidary, card rooms, full-service rec department, auditorium for dances, socials and holiday parties. Recently renovated 18-hole executive golf course with no green or trail fees. Centrally located to restaurants, shopping, RSW Airport. Golf assessment paid in full. For more information, review the details below or contact Valerie Vaccaro at 631-404-7563.